Before you cancel your GoHighLevel account, watch this. I recently spoke with 20 business owners who either left GoHighLevel or were considering it. Some had already cancelled. Others were actively looking for an alternative, and almost every single one of them gave me the same reason: it's too complicated. After asking a few more questions, I realized something. The real problem was not GoHighLevel, it was what happened after they signed up. Let me explain. As a certified GoHighLevel expert, I have worked with businesses in different industries: coaches, consultants, agencies, dentists, chiropractors, med spa, local businesses, and many others. So when I kept hearing people say they were leaving GoHighLevel because it is too complicated, I wanted to understand what was actually going on. Was the platform really too difficult to use, or it missing features, or it not delivering result, or was there something else behind the scene? So I started asking questions. When someone told me that GoHighLevel was too complicated, I will ask them what they have actually set up inside their account. And that is where things get interesting. Many had never set up a single automation, and a few were still tracking leads in spreadsheet despite paying for GoHighLevel every month. In some cases, they had not even uploaded their contacts. And suddenly the conversation changed, because what I discovered was that most of these business owners were not struggling with GoHighLevel itself. They were struggling with the implementation. Think about it in this way. Imagine buying a Ferrari and then complaining that it is more complicated than driving a bicycle. Well, of course it is. The Ferrari is built to do a lot more. That is exactly what happened when some business sign up for GoHighLevel. They are comparing all-in-one business platform to the simple tools they have been using for years. The extra features are not the problem, they are the reason the platform is so powerful. Inside one platform, you can build funnels, you can build websites, you can have calendars, you can have automation, SMS campaign, review system, AI agent, voice AI receptionist, reporting, dashboard, and many more. The reality is GoHighLevel is not replacing one tool. It is replacing 5 or 10 different tools. And whenever you replace that many systems with one platform, that is naturally going to be a learning curve. One conversation really stood out to me. A business owner told me that he left GoHighLevel because it felt overwhelming. So I asked him what he was using instead. He told me he switched to a separate CRM, a separate email marketing platform, a separate calendar tool, and other tool for the review automation, another for the website builder. So when I added up the monthly cost, he was paying around $1,000 more than he was actually paying to the GoHighLevel, and he was logging into 6 different systems every single day. The funny thing was that it did not actually reduce complexity. He simply spread it across multiple platforms. The complexity was still there. It was just hidden, and that is something I see all the time. People confuse unfamiliarity with complexity. Just because something is new does not mean it is too complicated. It simply means there is a learning process involved. Now don't get me wrong, GoHighLevel definitely has a learning curve. I won't pretend otherwise. If you are brand new to marketing, automation, workflow, funnels, CRM, and business automation, the platform can feel overwhelming at first. But here is what I have learned after helping clients implement GoHighLevel. The businesses that succeed are not necessarily the most technical. They are the ones that get help, follow a plan, and focus on implementation. Because once everything is configured correctly, the platform starts doing what it was designed to do. Now, imagine a lead: fill out a form on your website. Instantly, GoHighLevel create a contact, send a confirmation email, then send a text message, notify your team, book an appointment, move the leads in the pipeline, sends a reminder before the appointment, follow up automatically if they don't respond, and request a review after the service is complete. All of that can happen automatically. That is not complexity, that is automation. The automation is what gives business owners their time back. The sad part is that many of the people I spoke with never got the experience that side of GoHighLevel. They cancel before reaching the point where the platform truly becomes valuable. And honestly, I understand why. Business owners are busy. They are dealing with customers, they are dealing with employees, operations, sales, everything else comes with running a company. Most don't have a time to spend weeks learning a new platform from scratch. That is why implementation matters so much. Working with someone who understands the platform saves you months of frustration. If you are currently using GoHighLevel and feeling overwhelmed, I want you to know that you are not alone. Almost every successful GoHighLevel user felt overwhelmed at some point. The difference is that they pushed through the setup phase and started seeing results. By the way, if we haven't met before, my name is Muhammad Numan and I am the certified GoHighLevel expert, and I have helped businesses implement GoHighLevel, build automation, create funnels, set up AI receptionists, migrate from one platform to GoHighLevel, and optimize the operation using the platform. If you are thinking about canceling your GoHighLevel account because it feels too complicated, I would encourage you to do one thing first. Book a strategy call with me. Let's look at your account together. Let's identify what is causing the frustration and let's build a practical plan to help you get most out of the platform. Because in many cases, you are not dealing with the GoHighLevel problem. You are dealing with the setup problem, and setup problem can be fixed. The strategy call link is below. I look forward to speaking with you.